How to use the clamshell mode on your Mac. Now for this you need a monitor, an HDMI cable or an HDMI to Type-C cable, and of course your MacBook adapter. Now I don't have the HDMI to Type-C cable, so I have used a USB hub. If you want a USB hub, you can purchase the Anker 332 USB hub, or I'll link some HDMI cables below. So what you want to do is, first of all, connect the monitor to an HDMI hub and then connect that hub to your MacBook. After which you want to make sure that your MacBook is always connected to the power supply. If I remove it, the clamshell mode is not going to work. If you don't know what clamshell mode is, if I just want to use the monitor and have my laptop just be a normal computer that is working in the background and I don't want to see its screen or keyboard or touchpad, I can just close it and work on the screen with external keyboard and mouse. So as you can see, this screen has come up. But for this, a few things have to be necessary. First of all, obviously the HDMI cable. Second of all, if I take out the power, you can see it is going to shut off. So the first criteria for this is that your Mac always should have power so that it can be in clamshell mode. If it loses power, it is going to get out of that mode. Now it's easy to go back to the clamshell mode as well. Just plug it in. So now I plug it in and you can see it's going to come back. Now once you plug it in, you just have to lift the display and now it is in clamshell mode again. So that is about it. That's all you need to do. But again, you will need an external keyboard or mouse for this. I have not connected any of it just to show you guys how it works, but that's how it works. It's very easy to use. And if you don't want to keep your Mac like this, you can use a stand as well, which again I'll show you in the video or I'll leave a link below. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.